So, KFC has just launched their pop-up store, Kentucky Town at Canal Walk in Cape Town, where you can taste the limited edition menu, get some exclusive gear, try the Hot Wings challenge, and so much more. I've been sent a bag of some of the limited release of the Colonel's Beard Oil, inspired by KFC's secret 11 herbs and spices recipe made locally in Mazanzi. Let's see what is in the bag and if I can up my beard game. Don't forget to visit Kentucky Town until the 17th of July at Canal Walk in Cape Town. See you there. That smells good. I must say that besides for my beard feeling better, it smells better too. KFC The Colonel's Beard Oil for a finger licking good looking and smelling beard from one of the most iconic beards for the fans. So if you would like to try out the Colonel's Beard Oil, head down to Kentucky Town at Canal Walk.